This is a WACT Cape Fear Business Break.
Today I have the pleasure of being in the studio talking with Dr. Kamran from Scarless Vein Care. Good to see you, Dr. Kamran.
Nice to see you. I believe it's been almost 9 years we've worked together.
I know, it
on
has
this
been
show,
quite
yeah.
some time.
And we look younger every day.
Oh, don't stop, seriously. But you are a vein expert. What vein specifically do you treat?
That's a very good point. As a general vascular surgeon, I've been trained to take care of blood vessels. Now I'm more concentrating on the vein part of it. And really, at this stage of the game, I believe we could pretty much take care of the veins anywhere in the body. It used to be initially just the legs, varicose vein, the spider veins. But some people just don't like the veins on the back of the hand, although it breaks my heart to get rid of those veins because they can be used for medical reasons. But some people just hate the way they look and they are embarrassed to even show their hands. I mean, how can you hide your hand? We have had very good results being able to take care of those. And I believe there's not many people who take care of the veins on the hands, but we can certainly do it. We've had good results. Now there are, of course, some people have veins on the chest, on the abdomen, or on the face. We pretty much, if you think about veins, I would say veins everywhere. Please think about the Scarless Vein Care. Think about us, because I think we've got the expertise to take care of it.
All right. And it starts with the free vein health screening?
Exactly. And that's very important because not every vein is the same. And some people ask, what can you take care of it? You need to see these patients. You need to check them out and see what type of vein it is. And then I can tell you what kind of treatment you need.
All right. And you are doing these treatments in 2 locations, correct?
That's right. In Wilmington and Howe Creek Landing, as well as in Leland.
All right. Thank you so much for being here, Dr. Kamran.
Thank
Always
you for
a
having
pleasure.
me.
For more details, click the Health tab on WACT.com.